can you lose weight on your own without any help? This is Mike Norris from Mike Norris Fit. Help men over 50 lose weight, get fit, get healthier so they can live a healthy lifestyle. Now, the simple answer is yes, but I'm going to tell you why. Let's suppose you're a 50-year-old man, 50, 51, you're 5'10", you weigh 250 pounds, and you just left the doctor's office. You've been feeling bad, and he tells you, "Hey Joe, you got to get some weight off, man. Your blood pressure's high. A lot of things aren't looking real good for you right now." And you're like, "Yeah, doc, I'm depressed. I've been divorced for 6 months. Nobody wants a big fat guy with a belly like me hanging over his pants. I'm working my butt off. You're right. I got to get weight off." But in the back of your mind that you didn't tell him is, when you were 20, 25, 30 years old, you were in good shape, physically fit, and you have a dream in the back of your mind of getting your body back, of getting really physically fit, going to the beach, having women looking at you, staring at you, talking to you. Some of you guys, you got that dream. Even if you're 60, 65 years old, it doesn't matter. So let's talk about what you can do. If I was you, I lost weight without any help. I didn't hire anybody. Then I became a weight loss and fitness coach. Basically, I dealt with weight loss. And, I told it like it was. A lot of people might not have liked that, but I kind of told it like it was. And now that I have this channel like this, I'm telling you things. Step one is to go back and listen to my videos. Most of my videos here are on weight loss. There are some, of course, on anti-aging, which fits in. And there are some that are about getting fit after 50. And that can mean different things other than losing weight. If you go back and go through all my weight loss videos and you got a pad and pen, and you write down things that I say, and I don't give you rules. A lot of these weight loss programs and stuff give you rules. I give you guidelines to go by. I know there's more than one way to lose weight, and I know that you may have to do something a little different than somebody else that's 5'10", 250 pounds. But if you listen to the videos, you take notes, you're going to listen to a theme, you're going to figure out a theme. Wow, the wind started blowing all of a sudden, the wind wasn't blowing. You're going to listen to a theme that I think kind of flows through every video. And one thing you're going to get is, and this is all free, this is YouTube channel. I'm not selling weight loss coaching or anything like that. I'm not getting back into that. I may sell a book or something one day, I don't know, or ebook or something. But instead of paying a coach, and coaches cost a lot of money in the weight loss industry. I mean, it varies, but a lot of coaches will charge you a lot of money. And they have a program that they give everybody the same thing to do. And that's not going to work for everybody. You know that. I don't even have to tell you that. But then they'll come back and say, well, I can customize a program just for you. That's going to cost you $2,000 or whatever. I've seen it cost more than that. It's all according to, who your coach is and how they feel about themselves and how much money they can charge. But you're going to get insights from somebody that used to be a coach that's no longer coaching, things that I know that work. I don't want to call them secrets, because I don't know that there are really any secrets. But things that I know that work, that in a lot of programs you'll never ever hear, you'll never ever learn. And if you will just apply these principles or guidelines, as like I call them sometimes, if you just apply these things and put in the effort, you can save yourself thousands of dollars. Because a lot of coaching programs you pay by the month. Some you pay up front, a lot you pay $250, I've seen $500 a month. It all varies on what they're helping you with. But if you will just take this stuff to heart and take notes and read over those notes and take action. Take actions. Don't wait to listen to all the videos. Don't do that, because all my videos are going to have some same themes about getting up and taking action and doing stuff. Tomorrow I have a video coming out about exactly what I did as far as nutrition. Exactly what I did. And I don't expect you to eat what I ate, but that's not the key. The key is the types of things that I ate. And you can replace things with things that you like. But you can really do this without hiring anyone. I did it. I didn't know anything. I mean, I had been in shape before, and I just did it all because I worked so hard, you know. And then I gained that weight, and now I did get on my computer and restarted researching weight loss at about 5:30, 6 o'clock one evening when I made that decision after I'd come back from California and looked at my gut and the stomach. And I read something, and I got up immediately and I went to my kitchen and I started throwing stuff away. I got rid of it, because if you've got food left over or sweets and stuff up in your cabinets, you're going to eat them. You better get rid of them, because you will eat them, because you're going to get hungry, and there's going to be a time when you're going to eat them and you don't need them. But I just wanted to say, guys, you can do this on your own. You truly can. Just follow my freaking videos, guys. Just follow them, do it, ask questions. I'm getting some good questions. I'm going to do some lives. I'm going to go live. I don't know when yet. Probably next week sometime. I think I'm going to be in a hotel for a few days, and I think I'm probably going to do some lives, and I'm going to go over questions that I've been asked, and you can ask questions when I'm on the live. I'm going to do that next week, I think, because you can really do this. You can do it on your own, save yourself thousands of dollars. If you're paying child support and alimony and everything else, you can save yourself a lot of money. You may need to hire somebody. If you do, that's what you go do. But you can do it on your own if you set your mind to it. If you really, really want it so bad, you wake up one day, or you just determine in your mind, I'm doing this. I don't care what it takes. I'm not quitting. I'm not stopping until I got the kind of body that I want. You can do it. Now, I was talking about going to the beach, you know, and being looked at and all. That ain't going to happen. If you hadn't been working out in a long time, that's not going to happen in a year or two, maybe 5 years, maybe 3 years. It depends on how much you put into it. Depends on what kind of body you want. If you're 5'10", 250 pounds and you want a six-pack, you know, it ain't going to happen overnight. It's probably going to take you a couple years, to be honest with you. Maybe a year and a half if you really, really did a lot of stuff right. But a lot of people don't want that. They just want to get healthier and lose the weight. And you don't have to hire anybody, but you got to follow some guidelines, and you got to take it upon yourself to do it. And if you need to ask questions here. If you go in and look at comments, I answer people's questions when you ask stuff. Now, I'm not going to give you an entire plan. No, I'm not going to do that. But I definitely get you started. I told a guy yesterday something that he needed to do, specific, that I don't think anybody else is going to tell him. If you like the video, give it a like. If you're new, subscribe to the channel, share it with somebody you think who needs it, and I'll talk to you later.